Hey everybody, welcome back to Touchy Reactions. Fans of The Warning, we are back. We got another good one for you tonight. We're going to be checking out three more songs off of the 21st Century Blood album. We're going to be watching, let's see, we got Shattered Heart first, and then we're going to be doing Our Mistakes and Wildfire. All of these performances are going to be live at the Dakota Bar, and somebody at Random Music at The Warning was kind enough to put all the lyrics on the screen here. So we're going to watch three live performances with the lyrics on the screen. We've never heard any of these three songs, so we're excited to check out new music from The Warning. New old music from The Warning. They're out on
New
tour.
to us.
They're out on tour, grinding it out right now, trying to hit every city in the world. So hopefully, when they get back home and get some rest, and we'll get a new album sometime later, maybe next year sometime. So. In the meantime, we got to work on some of this old stuff. So I'm excited to hear some new music. I got my beautiful wife Cindy here with me, as always.
Hey.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and jump into this first song. This is Shattered Heart by The Warning. Here we go.
Whisper promises in the air that my guard down without a care. Now I see my worst mistake. I am out of chances to take. You try to influence my mind, but all you did was change my mind. I don't know how to be heartbroken. All my words will not be spoken. See through your tears.
All right, so just seeing young Danny here wearing a Guns N' Roses shirt, knowing that this past fall here
They opened
for Guns N' Roses, and it kind of just made my heart swell. You know, what's the saying? 5 times its size or something?
Like the Grinch.
The Grinch. Just thinking about the fact that that link is now there between those two bands.
And us also, Danny sounds amazing live. Her voice is on point.
She was born to be a front woman. You ready?
Yes.
So, didn't that sound like something from another song?
No.
This sounds a little bit like one of the songs off of Queen of the Murder Scene. However, we heard some. I don't know if it was in the comments or if we saw an interview with them or what. But this whole album, the 21st Century Blood album, was just basically they said we've been working on all these songs. Pal's been writing all these songs that we've been kind of just playing with over the years. And finally, they said, let's just throw them all together, put them on an album, and release it, kind of thing. So this is kind of like a
precursor.
Yeah, like a precursor to Queen of the Murder Scene. This opening verse right here reminds me of. Give me a second, I'll think of it. Queen of the Murder Scene. You know what I'm saying? Listen to right here.
Whisper promises in the air, about to drown.
I'm always blown away at how just 3 people can make such a full sound.
Right?
I have to step back sometimes and go, there's only 3 of them, and this sounds so complete. You know what I mean?
So full.
Yeah. It's
Oh,
great.
yeah, they're rocking it.
And Allies seems a little bit less reserved back when she was younger. I don't
Oh
know.
yeah.
Is that weird? She's more reserved now, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, she's more.
Laid back.
Yeah, I don't know.
You ready?
Hmm.
Come on, everybody, sing it with me. I don't know how to be heartbroken. One more time. I don't know how to be heartbroken. I don't know how to be heartbroken. All my words will not be spoken. I don't think you understand. There's no words on my head. You're just a liar. Survive the fire. You got no face on my race. You cut too deep. Let me hear your breathing. Now I have to pick up the pieces of my shattered heart.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
All right. So pay attention now, because I'm going to ask you at the end which one of these three songs was your favorite. So this was Shattered Heart. This would have fit in nicely into Queen of the Murder Scene. It had that same kind of vibe to it, as far as a woman who's been wronged by a man kind of thing, and she's very angry and writing some music about it. That's one thing. A lot of times, female recording artists write a lot of songs that are what I call man hater songs, but
Angst. They're
I really
angst.
haven't seen a lot of that from The Warning. Even the Queen of the Murder Scene album wasn't really a man hater song. It was more of an infatuation love kind of thing. This might be the first kind of I'm mad at a man song that I've heard from them, but I might be wrong.
Are they mad at a man though?
In this one, they are. They're they were in love and they're broken heart, and they're all mad about it kind of thing. So I was trying to go in order of the album. So we were going to do the song Wildfire next, and then we'll do Our Mistake after that. But we found this live performance where they do Our Mistake first and then Wildfire. So we're just going to have to suck it up and do them in reverse order. But on the album, Wildfire comes first. All right, you ready?
Yes.
This is Our Mistakes, and I'll pause after that one and we'll talk about it, and we'll see how it goes. You ready?
In the streets where you're feeling nothing again. We're not the same anymore. The spark has gone away. I'm fooling myself with this thing I've created in my head. I've always believed there is no one for me. That's why I won't leave. They say love never dies, but every time I try, you end up making me cry. I'm too exposed, but I'm always there to take the blame. I'm dilemma between my heart and my head. I'm where you're mine, and it's always been perhaps again for all your mistakes.
I think I have a theory on this song, but I don't want to. I don't want to taint your thoughts about the lyrics.
Well, tell me.
I think this is a conversation between her heart and her head,
Okay.
and the song is called "Our Mistakes," meaning like it's the two of my heart and my head are at conflict. One of them always causes problems, and the other one always takes the blame, kind of thing.
Okay.
Listen to the lyrics and see if you agree with me if that's what it is. That's
Okay.
what I'm taking away from it. Our mistakes is heart and head are the hour. You ready?
Yes.
Just a writing choice here. I'm always there to take the blame. Oh, it's a dilemma between my heart and my head. Wouldn't brain have rhymed better there? Blame and brain
No.
versus blame and head. It's a dilemma. I don't know. Maybe maybe I'm missing the.
You're
point
missing
here.
something.
I'm missing something.
For all your mistakes.
Again, I think this is actually the heart singing to the head. The heart is the one that gets broken every time when the head does things that cause the relationships to fall apart. I don't know. I might be completely wrong, but that's what I'm getting. All right.
All right. So maybe you have some point in what you were saying. It was the brain talking to the heart. Like the heart makes the mistakes and the
Yeah.
brain pays the part.
Could be. I'm not sure. Someone out there has to know if they've ever discussed this in a live or a chat or something or an interview. Does anyone know what the meaning of this song is? If I'm way off, let me know. If I'm on, let me know, and my head will grow huge because I'm proud of myself.
In your big brain.
My big brain. Okay, let's check out this last song, "Wildfire," and
I was listening to the song really intently to try to prove you wrong, and I'm like, dang, he's right.
I might be wrong. I might be wrong, but
You may be wrong,
sometimes
but you may be wrong.
sometimes I'm right. Every now and then I'm right. Okay, you ready?
Okay, yes.
This is "Wildfire" by The Warning. Here we go.
The warning.
High flyers? Don't you have some people you call high flyers?
Yeah, they're really smart kids.
Smart kids? Okay. All right, so my first impressions of this song. What?
I love you.
What? What'd I do?
Nothing.
I did something.
No,
You give me that look.
We're good.
All right, well, you got me walking on eggshells now.
Why?
All right, my first impression of this song, from what I've heard so far, it feels like a women's rights song. Like, this is a song that the women who might be marching in a women's rights parade might be, it's kind of an anthem kind of song for them. I might be completely wrong, but that's just what my takeaway was from the first opening chorus, the opening verse in the chorus.
All right.
You got any counter theories?
No.
Why are you laughing at me?
I'm not laughing at you.
I'm so confused. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Until you step down, the high flyers will not be pulled back on the ground. Until things are set right, we say it's time for a change, and we won't win this fight.
All right.
Rocking it.
Very good. Very good. Any thoughts on that song?
I don't want to go political, and that's why I was laughing.
Okay.
So
What do you think about the song?
I loved it. I
Okay.
love the message. It's great.
All right. Do you think I might be on track with my theory or no?
What's your theory again?
About it, it's kind of a women's rights kind of thing. Or?
I disagree.
Okay. That's fine. All right. Of the three songs, which one was your favorite? We had, let's see, Shattered Heart, which was about the breakup. We had the Wildfire, which this one we just did that may or may not have been about women's rights. And then the middle one was Our Mistakes.
Our Mistakes.
You liked Our Mistakes? I think I might agree with you on that. I think it's between Our Mistakes and Shattered Heart for me. I did like Wildfire, but the other two I think I liked them a little better. But I enjoyed it, and that's three more songs we can listen to around the house now for the one.
Yes.
And it was a good time. I appreciate you joining me once again. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, hit that like button down below. It doesn't cost you anything, and it makes us feel good when people like our videos. If you're not already subscribed to Touchy Reactions, there's a big red button down below. If you click on it, it'll turn gray, let you know you have subscribed. If you hit that bell off to the side, it'll let you know anytime we drop some new content over here at Touchy Reactions. Thanks everybody who tuned in tonight, especially the patrons. Love our patrons. If you would like to be a patron, the link up in the corner, link down in the description. Come on over and join up, help support the channel. You'll be able to vote on what we watch. You'll also be able to see patron exclusive videos and get all kinds of early releases before stuff goes out on YouTube. So thanks again to all our patrons. That's all we got for this one. We appreciate you stopping by, and don't forget to come on back.
Bye.